Today I'm going to be going over some handstand walk tutorial drills that you can start even if you're just a beginner, and I'll guide you through the necessary steps so that you can handstand walk too. What's up guys, it's Kevin Andres, owner of K-Squared Fitness, the fitness channel that gives you the tips, tricks, and all the tutorials you need to improve your fitness. So let's get straight into it. If you're trying to get better at handstand walks, the first thing that I always encourage people to do is master the nose to wall first. So get into a push-up position and just practice with straight elbows, trying to get as close as you can to the wall, and then push your head through. Walk it back out. That's already a pretty challenging exercise, so you might just start there. Notice my wrist position. If you're out in front, this is a little bit more difficult on your wrist, but if you turn it out, take a little pressure off your wrist. The next thing I want you to try to practice is once you get up to the wall and you start doing nose to wall drills, keep your feet together, see if you can tap your shoulders. Once you master shoulders, see if you can go hips. Obviously, you'll spend a couple of weeks on each drill, maybe in a month, depending on how difficult you want the challenge to be. Next thing I want you to do, draw out some lines for you and get comfortable kicking up to the wall and trying to step, touch the wall. A little further back, step, touch the wall, etc. like that. I skipped a step. You might even just practice kicking up to the wall the opposite way and then work your way back. Those are a couple of simple handstand walking drills. Maybe not simple, but good challenge for you. Comment below which one you're stuck with and keep working hard. We'll see you in the next one.